Here's a parcel of Potch and colour of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. Just gone in a bit closer so you can have a better look. This has got a lot of clay in it. Whether it cleans up around here or not, it's hard to know. This is purple crystal. Potch. Use the back for doublets. A little bit of a colour showing there. It's not high grade quality material, but they're larger pieces. This is interesting. It's got quite vivid colour in a couple of spots here. Whether it goes anywhere, don't know. It's part of the gamble. Anyway, that is what it is for the price. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.